Okay, listen. So today I'm going to share with you something new, that is how to represent the rational number, how to represent the rational number on the number line. Suppose, yes, what is this?
Shutter.
So let us assume this is the number line. Let us assume this is a
Yes, sir.
number line. Now, if we divide this number line by two part, তাহলে কতগুলো জায়গায় we have to cut? How many point?
Sir, on the middle.
Sir, on the middle.
Middle. That is one cut
The middle.
required to divide this by two part, right?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now, if this is the number line, suppose this is the chalk, and if we cut here middle point, then it will be two part. তার মানে দুটো পার্ট করতে গেলে we have to cut at one point. If we want to divide this by two part, if we want to divide this by two part, then we have to cut at one point. If we have to divide three part, then
2 point. 2 point.
2 point. If we have to divide this by four part, then
3 point.
3 point.
two, three part. Now, what is the meaning of 1 by 2?
Cutting one time.
Sir, half.
Half.
1 by 2 means half. So this is the whole. This is the whole. So we have to half. Then it will be half. If we need 1/3. তোমার কাছে একটা ব্রেড আছে যেটা একটা 3 সাইজ স্লাইস ব্রেড, তুমি একটা ব্রেড তুলে নিলে, that is 1/3. তুমি দুটো two bread, if you have you require two bread from one total bread, তাহলে দুটো স্লাইস তুলে তাহলে তুমি কতটা নিলে? 2/3. Understand? 2/3. Now we are going to show you how to represent 3/5. কত লিখেছি এটা?
3/5.
3 by 5.
3/5. So the denominator is 5. That means we
Four
have to
times
divide this by
5 cuts
4
and
time
3.
cut. 4
5
time
part.
cut.
So we have to cut at
4 cut.
we have to cut at
4 points.
4 point. 4 points.
4 points.
4
Now,
points.
we have to cut at 4 points. Okay. So we are going to cut this by 4 points. Now, we are assuming that 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm showing you. How many parts are there? কতগুলো জায়গায় মার্ক
Four.
করেছি?
4.
চারটে জায়গায় মার্ক করেছি। If we cut 1, 2, 3, 4 cut, but how many parts are there?
5.
5.
And one thing is that, listen, you have to divide all equally, but unfortunately this one is smaller than this one. Look, right? So we have to divide equal part. Now, if what will be the 3/5? So we have to choose 3 part from whole. This will be 3/5. তাহলে একটা দুটো তিনটে নিলাম 3 part. Then this will be 3/5. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are going to
Sir.
divide this by 3/5. 8. 3 by 8. That means
17 cards.
we have to divide the
7 cards.
line by how many parts?
8.
Each part. So how many cards required? 7.
8. 7 cards.
7 points.
Look. How many cards are there? কতগুলো জায়গায় কাটতে হবে তা গুনতি করে দেখি।
Sir,
Is
7.
it visible?
7.
Visible. Look.
6.
Look. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 part. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many parts are there?
8.
8 parts. বাবা বিছানাটা নোংরাই হয়ে গেল রে। So here 8 parts. So we have to cut at how many points?
7.
7 points.
Yes. Now we are going to share with you if okay. Now is it visible, students?
Yes,
Now
sir.
we have to
Yes,
represent 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 is the rational number and you have to represent this in the number line. That means this is in the two side arrow and middle will be 0 and 2 by 3 lies in between 0 to 1 because 2 by 3 is the number which is greater than 0 and less than 1. So we have to write here 1 in that side minus 1. হাতে করতে যদি তোমরা হাতে ড্র করো দেন ইউ ক্যান অ্যাজিউম যে দুটো একই ডিসটেন্স আর ইকুয়াল সো দ্য ডিনোমিনেটর ইজ 3 সো উই হ্যাভ টু ডিভাইড দিস বাই 3 পার্ট বাই
Two
কাটিং
part.
2 পয়েন্ট by cutting 2 point so this
Two
will
part.
be 1 by 3 and this will be 2 by 3 understand now we are going to represent 243 by 5 243 by 5 on the number line. Now 243 by 5 can be written as
48.6.
4 point.
3 by 5 not point. This is a rational number so তোমরা এটাকে fraction form এ রাখো. So here 48 whole 3 by 5 right? So you have to draw the line. You have to draw the line and 40 is the number so you can write here 48 and then this is 49. The right side is 49 because 48 whole 2 by 3 by 5 that is 48 plus something that means 48 then but this is lower than that is the smaller than 49 so the number is lies between 48 and 49 understand everyone is it clear
4 card now.
Yes.
is it clear so 48 and 49 এর মাঝখানের যে গ্যাপটাতে আমাদেরকে 5 ভাগে ভাগ করতে হবে we have to divide by equally 5 parts so we have to cut at 5 we have to divide 4 points so আমাদেরকে এবার এই জায়গাটায় কিন্তু মোটামুটি পেন্সিল দিয়ে করবে দিলে তোমরা 1 2 3 4 তাও দেখো ছোট বড় হয়ে গেছে তাই কি না so this will be 48 whole 1 by 5 2 by 5 so this will be 3 by 5 so this is representing of 48 whole 3 by 5 is it clear everyone now is it clear everyone hello am I audible
Yes, sir.
okay
Yes, sir.
now I'm showing you the another number that is minus 1 2 3 4, 5. I repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 7. You have to represent this on the number line. How to represent this number on the number line? Have any idea
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
how?
Yes.
Sir,
So can I
So at
I
first we
draw
have to draw the number
first
line,
we
right?
will draw the line, and
Yes.
then at the right
Yes.
side
minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then minus
Yes,
1, 2,
sir.
3, 4, 4.
And-
And
Yes.
between them they is present.
Yes. So at first we have to draw the number line, and here we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The obviously the sign will be minus, and here 1, 2, 3, 4,
4.
6.
6. Because this is in the left
here,
side.
in the left side, the value get too
Since
much
the
low.
left side, the value, the numerical value will be large, but the actual value is small,
Still low.
right? Because the sign is negative. Now, below is 7. So we have to divide this by how many parts?
6.
6.
6 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 part. So we have to moving from this to this side. We have to moving this to this side. Then this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whole 6 by 7, and the sign is negative. So this will be the presentation of the point. Everyone clear? Understand everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
no need to write all points. If you write from the 0, so 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, লিখতে 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 বুড়ো হয়ে যাবে। চুল আমার মতো এরকম দাড়ি ফাড়ি হয়ে যাবে, চুল টুল পেকে যাবে, লোকে তোমাকে দাদু বলবে, কেউ দিদা বলবে, তাই না? তাহলে আমার দাদু দিদার হওয়া দরকার নেই এত তাড়াতাড়ি। তাহলে আমাদের we have to write the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 point, and the next one 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Understand everyone?
Sir, we can
So-
write right in the right hand side 0.
In the next class,
So
I'll
we
tell
have to
you.
rejoin.
No need. In the next class, I'll telling you how to find the rational number in between the rational number. তারপর বলা আছে যে 2
Yes,
by
sir.
3 by 7 is the two rational number, and you have to find the infinite number of rational
Median.
number
Sir.
in between them. Like এই যে দুটো আমরা করলাম না, এই যে দুটো, এই যে this one, এটা দুটো গ্যাপ, এদের মধ্যে কিন্তু অনেকগুলো নাম্বার আছে। সাপোজ ইউ আর অ্যাজিউমিং দিস ওয়ান এন্ড দিস ওয়ান, তাদের মাঝখানেও ইনফাইনাইট নাম্বার অফ পয়েন্ট আছে। তুমি যত দুটো ইমাজিন করবে যে ভেরি স্মল টু নাম্বারস, ইন বিটুইন দেম the many rational numbers are there, infinitely many. Okay students,
Yes, sir.
তাহলে সবাই বুঝতে পারলে ভালো করে, তো বোঝা গেছে? Is it clear
Yes.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So in the next class, I will start the how to represent the, how to plotting, how to find the number of rational numbers in between the given rational. Okay. So today, bye bye.